Now let's focus on the NDA allies, the big kingmakers. It is Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP and Nitish Kumar of the JDU. Now together with the seats that they have won, they make a total of 28, which is crucial for the NDA to come to the number that they have able to gather, which is the 293 mark. If you remove those 28, the NDA will not be able to garner the number, which is the halfway mark, which will stop at 267. So here are the big ticket items that these leaders may ask of the BJP to form the government and the cabinet formation that is going to happen. Let's take a look at what Chandrababu Naidu may most likely demand from the BJP, from the Prime Minister of the country. Now, the center to recognize Amaravati as the Andhra capital. Now, we have continued to see the tussle between the YSRCP and the TDP. When YSRCP came to power, it was the three of the capitals that had been proposed by Jagan Mohan Reddy. Now, it is going to be rolled back to the previous traditional plan of Chandrababu Naidu to get the one capital, the single capital for Andhra Pradesh, and it is going to be Amaravati, and it is a big ticket project for which Chandrababu Naidu has lobbied all along with the central government. Point number 2, the most likely point that is going to be raised and demanded by Chandrababu Naidu is going to be a major central package to develop Amaravati, which has been stalled under Jagan Mohan Reddy. Now remember, if you take a look back at the political history of Chandrababu Naidu and the things he's been able to achieve, well, it has been the Cyberabad, the IT hub that was created by Chandrababu Naidu, that is the highlight of his political career. That's exactly what he wants for Amaravati to be created as well. Third point about how there is going to be a maybe. Now, what are these things that may be sought by Chandrababu Naidu from Prime Minister Narendra Modi because of the weight he carries? Speaker's post for the non-BJP leader. So, there could be a possibility that Chandrababu Naidu is going to ask the Prime Minister of providing the role of the speaker, appointing a speaker from the TDP list of MPs that have won the election. Highly unlikely is the demand for a top CCS level cabinet portfolio. So whether it is about the Defence Ministry, or it is about the Ministry of External Affairs, or we talk about the Finance Ministry, or we talk about the Home Ministry, these are off limits.